This is an arrowhead that I hand forged, and this is me getting ready to shoot it into a piece of 4-in-1 chainmail armor. But first, let's take a look at how we got to this point. The first thing that I did was flatten off the back so I could wrap it around into a cone shape that would fit over the arrow shaft. And then drew the other side into a point. So I finished the one that we were working on, but it is just about as ugly as it possibly could get. So I'm going to make the point and then make the socket and see if that works any better. In order to test the effectiveness of my arrowhead, I'm going to be shooting it through this piece of 4-in-1 chainmail armor. This test will be to see how well the arrow will penetrate through the chainmail links, but also to see what happens to the arrow afterward. About this time I realized just how long it had actually been since I'd shot my bow. So I gave her another try. And after multiple attempts and moving embarrassingly close to the target, I finally got the shot I had been aiming for. And the results did not disappoint. In a way, it was kind of fitting that it had taken me so many shots to hit the target. Like it had taken me so many tries to get the arrowhead just right, having to cut it off and start over multiple times. Simply put, blacksmithing is hard, and you're going to fail repeatedly. A major difference between a master and a beginner is that a master has failed many more times than a beginner has ever tried.